In today's video, I'm going to teach you use OneNote templates to standardize repetitive tasks like meetings, planning and tracking, saving time on formatting, and ensuring consistency across projects or teams. We're going to start with the built-in templates that OneNote provides. Open the section where you want your notes to live, then go to Insert and select Page Templates. This opens the Templates sidebar, which is your hub for ready-made layouts. You'll see categories for different needs. Under Business, look for options like Project Overview or Detailed Meeting Notes if you're managing initiatives or documenting conversations. The Planners category includes practical pages such as to-do lists and prioritized tasks when you want a focused daily or weekly view. Academic includes Cornell Notes, great for structured note-taking and review. Browse these categories with your workflow in mind. When you click a template, OneNote creates a new page based on that design. From there, replace placeholders such as dates, agendas, goals, or any sample text with your actual details. The idea is to keep the framework intact, so every meeting, plan, or tracker follows the same structure. This saves time and makes your pages easier to scan later, especially if you share them with teammates. If you want something tailored to your exact process, create a custom template. Start by designing a page just the way you like it, add tables for organized data, include checklists for tasks, and divide sections clearly. You can even build an Eisenhower matrix for prioritization, separating what's urgent from what's important, or lay out a weekly planner with goals at the top and space for daily schedules below. Keep headings consistent and leave space for action items and follow-ups so your pages guide you through each session. Once your page looks right, open the Page Templates sidebar and choose Save Current Page as a template. Give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later. If you use this structure often, set it as the default for the section so every new page automatically starts with your layout. This consistency reduces setup time and helps your notes stay uniform across projects or teams. A few examples to consider: a meeting notes template that includes agenda, attendees, action items, and follow-up tasks, a weekly planner that captures goals, daily schedules, and priority quadrants, and a project tracker with milestones, risks, and team contacts. Use these consistently and you'll notice faster note-taking, cleaner records, and smoother handoffs. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more OneNote tips and tutorials.